I've officially found the best, most efficient, easy to use microfiber spray mop on the market. You guys, this thing works so well. On the bottom of it, there's a microfiber attachment. All you do to make it work is press this lever here. As you can see, there's this water tank. You press the lever, here comes the water spraying out. And there you have it. Incredibly easy to use, efficient, no batteries necessary, no heavy lifting like most sprayable mops. No need to plug it in. You just pick it up, put it down, use it where you need it, and remove all your stubborn stains, and your floor stays clean with as least effort as possible. I highly recommend this product if you're looking for something efficient, easy to use, and to have clean floors whenever you want them.